Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing, the usual unboxing. So today's unboxing is this.
Scissors?
I need scissors. There. So this is Blu-ray, another Blu-ray collection, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Oh wow, I think we've seen this before, is it, or is it the new one?
This is a newer one.
A new version.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a sequel to the original,
Oh,
even though this was made many years later
mm-hmm.
than the original, which was made around 1973.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's got the date on the back. A little bit too small.
Yeah, it's too small. It's cannot see. It's too small. So at the back is this, guys. So this is a true story, darling.
Not really.
But it says here, underneath, it says inspired by true story.
Yeah, inspired, but...
But not necessarily true.
No.
Alright, okay. So this is 18
Fictionalized.
certificate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is is it a horror?
Yeah.
This is a horror film.
Yes.
Oh, everybody likes horror film. Most of people.
Not everybody.
Not everybody. Most people loves horror films. So I know most of my friends likes horror films. So this is nice. Can I open?
Open
No.
it when we're going to watch it.
Alright. As usual, guys, we cannot open until we watch it.
We're
Before
ready
we
to
watch it. Okay. So this is nice. Have you seen this, guys? This is scary movie. I mean, so scary because the first one before it's it's very scary before. So is this
The original.
the
It
original?
wasn't that scary, but it was, at the time it was made, it was around
Yeah.
1973.
That is scary before.
Yeah, it was quite harrowing.
Because it's not much
There wasn't
movies that was made scary before. So
yeah, not that type of film.
So I know there's lots of scary movies, so it's not
Yeah,
that
nowadays
scary
there's
anymore.
loads and there's plenty of blood and guts in them.
So people get used to watching it.
Yes.
So it's not that scary anymore.
Yeah.
But anyway, the first time that people watch scary, then they will be scared. Oh. So this is Blu-ray, guys. Blu-ray is always color blue. Oh no, not always color blue. Sometimes it's white. But the thing is, it's shorter than
It usually
DVD.
says Blu-ray.
Yeah.
There's something.
Yeah, and it
It's
says
in high definition.
in here the logo of Blu-ray. You can see it there. And also in the front there is a logo of Blu-ray there. In the top and in the bottom. So you won't miss a thing.
Read any of the actors, let's say, on the back.
Oh,
It's not too small.
it's too small.
Anybody known in it? I doubt it.
I can't really see, darling. Can you read it?
Normally these sort of films are made on a low budget. I need magnifying glasses.
Yeah, I told you it's too small. Cannot see.
Yeah.
So I will, guys, the actors and actresses, I'll just put it in the description below because it's impossible to read it. See, look at that. I need the magnifying glass.
Yes.
I have the big magnifying glass upstairs. So
We can do a review when we watched
Yeah.
it.
Sorry for that, guys. It's just things that inevitable. So, alright, okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Oh my gosh, just the sound of chainsaw is already scary. So that is why it's you can watch when you are 18 and above, not below 18. 17 and a half, not yet. Alright, okay guys, so thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love.